Gel Overlay Manicure Service after 5 weeks of growth. We begin by shortening the length of the nails. We are using the Brillian B200 E-file system for this demonstration with a speed of 20,000 RPM. Remove the gel color and the previous products with a coarse carbide bit. Remove any product that is lifted if necessary with a nail nipper. Round off the free edge and reshape the nails. Shape the nails with a 150 grit hand file. Buff the surface of the nails with a medium sanding band and refine the cuticles with a diamond ball prep bit. Remove dust. Cleanse the nails with alcohol or nail cleanser. Apply Mong-Up acid-free primer on the natural nails. Apply a base layer with the U-gel on the natural nails. Cure for 30 seconds in the LED lamp. Add a slip layer of the U-gel and a bead of the gel to create an apex. Flip the nail for 3 to 5 seconds for the gel to pull to the center. Flash cure for 10 to 15 seconds with the USB flash cure light. Complete a whole hand and cure for 60 seconds in the LED lamp. Perfect the shape with the 150 grit hand file. Buff the nails with a medium sanding band or a 100 grit hand buffer. Remove dust. Apply gel polish as desired. Complete with the U-Shine non-wipe gel top for a long-lasting shine and protect the gel polish. Visit mongup.com to learn more.